Oh, okay. Ooh, that was weird. My throat just like hurt. I was just like, bleh. Ooh, I didn't even see that dude. Where'd you come from? Oh, wait, guys. I just barely got enslaved today. People always say it's awesome. I don't get it. I hate it. It's just kind of annoying to me. Yes. Okay, let's go. So I finally leveled up. That took a while, didn't it? Balls. Come on, go diagonal. Go diagonal. Tackled you. Get off. This is my money, man. Butt sucker. Maybe I was going the right way the first time, wasn't I? Oh, nope, I wasn't. Apple. And the one thing I wasn't expecting an apple was an apple. It's weird. Get some. Get worked. Gosh, the screen is so little on my camera. So I don't watch my videos because I'm afraid I'm going to mess up and not be able to notice. And so I just watch my camera and it's so little. Items. Items. Thank you. And that's my num-nums. Dang it. I accidentally gave it to him. You don't deserve those num-nums. They were mine. Mommy, he isn't sharing. Like a poo man. You ass. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh yeah, guys, I got the Star Wars The Force Unleashed demo. Can I really? I know you be loving that penis. Not today, son. No. Makes you think I need help. What are you trying to say about that, huh? Well, that was useful. God, I hate how this meme misleads you, like, really bad. Like, it'll tell you to go one way, and it's like, oh, you did it wrong, actually. Okay. I have more health than Chikorita. I find it weird. Sound like a Pokemon that you just catch, you know? I should do Platinum, but I can't find it. Well, I know where it is, because my sister has it. Me. I should have saved all those gummies for some shakes. So I'd be loving them milkshakes. Don't do anything. Okay. Oh, so apparently he's gonna be retarded again. Just like Master Blaster or something. Retarded, you know, like he usually does. Okay, ninth floor. You be doing good. Oh, that's perfect timing. Okay, never mind. Don't have those monies. It's a little much, don't you think? For a gummy. It's like a snack to me. Oh, I never found a warp sea before. What am I doing? Oops. I believe this is the last floor. Don't worry, guys. You don't have to listen to me for much longer. I need to get some sleep. What am I going to? I'm going to finish quite a few parts before this. You know what? That's what wonder tiles were created. That's right, you hoe. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. No. Okay, this is my favorite thing to do in the game. See that dude? See? I'm gonna name you Bobby. Now, Bobby's a bad man. He's been... I don't know, no. Bobby. I don't like them. Kill him from distance. Funny part is they don't do anything and they give you so much EXP just for chilling there and killing them. I don't understand because they can attack back but only like harden and just bump you. Yeah. You get pumped, I'm gonna pump you back. Bitch. Oh, my voice went out for a second. Bitch. Okay, we can make it. Shit. That works, distance. I'm going for distance. Got me. Oh, God. Okay, that's it. Deep apple woods. Where the apples are bigger. So all the ladies go there. Oh my freaking. Whoa. Part 1 just got 10 more views. I have my most views now. That was kind of cool. It's like, I don't know, it was like. Dun dun dun. Yep, I know. Big tree, how easily done. Yep, guess who it is? Penis. I hate these guys. I do, just badly. To the max. This is gonna be part 14, part 15. I don't think I'm gonna do a part 15 today. Just 13, 14, 15. Part 16 today. Apples. Apples. Come get your apples. It's a trap. Oh, this dude just owned them. Color me surprised, really? I know it's kind of weird that I record the numbers and I record them almost at the same time, but whatever, I don't really care. I see you do those. They can go suck a dick. Big one. Motherfucker. They left him. She got owned, Zubat. Well, actually, we asked you if you could join our team. Just like, they raged on me. They raped me. Multiple times. Can I say it? Oh, thank the Lord. Well, okay, guys. I'm gonna call it. I love you.